Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Guide. Today we are diving into Redmi 14C, Xiaomi's latest entry into budget phone market. With a large display, an amazing battery, and high refresh rate screen, all around $100. But does it perform as good as it sounds? Let's dive in and find out. First, let's see what we get in the box. A 30kW fast charger. However, Redmi 14C only supports 18W fast charging. I also noticed in some regions there is a 10W charger in the box. I don't really understand why, but make sure what kind of charger you are getting in the box before you buying the phone. A USB Type-A to Type-C charging cable, a clear protective case, some user manuals, and of course the phone. Now let's talk about design. The Redmi 14C follows Xiaomi's classic budget phone design. It has a plastic frame with either glass or eco leather back, providing a comfortable grip. But to be honest, it actually feels a little cheap when you're holding it. After all, it's only a $100 phone. On the right, we have power button and volume buttons, while the left side houses the SIM tray, which includes dual SIM support and a dedicated microSD slot. A great feature if you need more storage. The side-mounted fingerprint scanner is both fast and reliable, offering a convenient and secure unlocking method. And also, Xiaomi has kept the 3.5mm headphone jack, a feature that is disappearing from many phones these days. Moving on to the display, Redmi 14C has a 6.88-inch IPS LCD panel with 120Hz refresh rate, which is impressive for a device at this price range. The higher refresh rate ensures a smoother scrolling and more fluid animations, enhancing overall user experience. The display has a resolution of 720 by 1640 pixels, resulting in a pixel density of approximately 260 ppi. While the HD Plus resolution is enough for daily tasks, those who use the Full HD panels might notice a difference in sharpness. The front glass is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3, and in terms of brightness, the screen typically offers 450 nits, with peak brightness of 600 nits in high brightness mode. At this level of brightness, you won't have any problem indoors, but it's hard to see outside and under the sunlight. Now let's talk about performance. The Redmi 14C is powered by MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra, a 12nm processor. This setup delivers reliable performance for everyday tasks, such as browsing, social media, and light gaming. In real-world usage, apps open fairly quickly. Social media, web browsing, and video streaming work without any major lags. For gaming, Redmi 14C handles casual game effortlessly. Thanks to the capable GPU and high refresh rate display, titles like Subway Surfer run smoothly. However, for more heavy games like PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty, it's best to play on medium setting or even low setting to maintain a playable experience. The Redmi 14C comes with Xiaomi's new OS, the HyperOS, on top of Android 14. It still has all of the customization and features, but it also includes some pre-installed apps. But the good news is, most of these apps can be deleted. One of the standout features of Redmi 14C is the 5160 mAh battery, providing impressive endurance. With modern usage, including browsing, streaming, and casual gaming, the device comfortably lasts a full day, and light users might even stretch it 2 days on a single charge. In my test, it survived over 10 hours of gaming, video recording, and YouTube playback. But if you want to see the full battery drain test, you can find that video on the channel, or check the description for its link. The Redmi 14C supports 18W wired charging, While this is not the fastest charging available, it charges the large battery within a reasonable time frame. It took me around 3 hours to charge from 0 to 100%. However, it's important to check the included charger in your region, as some markets may provide a 10-watt charger, requiring users to purchase an 18-watt charger to achieve max speed charging. Now, what about the cameras? The Redmi 14C features a 50 megapixel wide sensor as the main camera and a 2 megapixel depth lens, while on the front you get a 13 megapixel selfie camera. In good lighting conditions, the 50 megapixel main sensor can capture decent photos with good details and colors. The dynamic range is decent, but it's not perfect. As for selfies, the 13 megapixel front camera is just okay. It works for casual use, but the details and colors aren't as sharp as a high-end phone. Video recording maxes at 1080p at 30 fps. While the quality is fine, there is no stabilization, so expect shaky footage if you are moving while recording. If you need a bigger screen, solid battery life, and a decent camera for budget price, the Redmi 14C is a good option for you. However, if you want a faster charging or a sharper display, you might want to look at alternatives. That's it for today's review. Let me know in the comments what you think about Redmi 14C. And if you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more tech content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.